Hello everybody, this is little Jimmy Gihuli with WTF News Chopper. Well, today we're running down Route 19 there along the coast in Florida, and we found another handful of truckers going to the convoy. Well, this ought to be interesting. I think Joe Biden, about this time, he's going to be nuts. He's going to have to come out of the basement and say, I can't take this anymore. He's got Russia on one end and he's got the American truckers on the other. And I'm 100% behind the truckers. But with that news chopper, WTF, I just started to shout. I'm not sure who the hell I'm flying for anyway. But I'm with WTF News Chopper. That's who I'm with. And I'm about ready to, almost on empty. So I think I better head back to the gas station and see if I can get some more fuel before I crash this. That's what I did the last one. I crashed it. Forgot about fuel. Oh well. See you later. Adios.